My name is Elizabeth Laporte, and this is my story. My professional journey has been one that started as a Marshall Scholar at Oxford, studying for a master's in politics and economics, then 2 years at the Federal Trade Commission as an economist and policy planner, and then attending law school at Yale, after which I had the wonderful experience of clerking for Judge Marilyn Hall Patel, who was then the first and only woman on the Northern District of California Court, sitting in San Francisco. I've been fortunate to have a very interesting and varied career, which included both private sector plaintiffs and defendants work in a variety of areas, but including civil rights and employment law, and other experience as an administrative law judge in the Department of Insurance. So there were many different experiences, I think, before I got on the bench, which was very useful in terms of the variety of matters that came to us at the court with a lot of different perspectives. Well, it seems maybe hard to believe, but when I went to Yale Law School, the number of women professors varied from 0 to 2 during the time I was there. The most we ever had was 2, and at times we had none. I, growing up, only knew one woman attorney, even though my father was an attorney, so we knew other attorneys, but it was a very rare event. So things fortunately have improved a great deal, but it wasn't always easy. There were times when, as a young, and particularly young for my age looking, small female attorney, people attempted to bully me or get me to back down. I didn't. And I, in some cases, was told that I would live to regret bringing lawsuits against certain people and clients and so on. And fortunately, it did not turn out that way. During my career, I faced the challenge as well as the opportunity of being a working mother for much of it. And that did require juggling many different things, getting all your work done, often after the kids went to bed, but also spending the precious time with them as they grow up. There were great moments when my daughters interacted with various judges and learned a lot from them and maybe even taught them some things. I have been involved in community organizations that have been very meaningful to me. I've taken part in DEI initiatives in the course of my career. Fairly recently at the court, I founded and launched the Women Attorneys Advocacy Project with gathering together some other leading women attorneys from different practice areas, and we put on a series of programs designed to help overcome obstacles and maximize opportunities for women. And we've taken that on the road a little bit to the Association of Business Trial Lawyers and a program at Stanford Law as well as Hastings Law. I've been involved in the CHIPS community, which is promoting women in law and technology, contributed to being on some of their mentorship programs, training programs with exercises, for example, mock presentations, mock hearings. And I think that we need to continue to demonstrate the very tangible benefits that come from having diverse decision makers. I think there's more and more social science research showing that better decisions are made when people collaborate across different ethnicities and genders and other diverse types of identities and collaborate together. Some lessons I've learned would be: don't give up. Do what you really care about, because you're more likely to do a good job at that. Take advantage of any mentors or just role models and learn from them. Learn from your colleagues. Make relationships with your opposing counsel and with other people, and try to encourage and model civil behavior in that community. If I had to write a memoir of my life, I would call it fortunate, because I had the opportunities to have an excellent education and to practice a profession that I love, to have the wonderful colleagues I've had, be part of a vibrant legal community, because I have been fortunate. I'm Elizabeth Laporte, and I'm proud to be a mediator and arbitrator at JAMS.